So myself and Terry have been at the Plum Expo down in Alexandra Palace in London, showing off the new Picote Mini Cleaner for the last couple of days. We got back late last night. Someone requested when we put a post on Summon and Proud that we did a video of it. We didn't have time at the show, so we thought we'd set everything back up and do it in our warehouse. So we've got the mini cleaner set up. We've picked a particularly tight toilet to be able to get it through, so it's a manual application to get it inside the pan through the U-bend, and then as soon as it starts hitting the pan connector at the back, you can spin it up freely. Terry's about to spin it up inside the pan connector. We're going to put it back inside the pan connector, show them it's done no damage. So that's now inside the pan connector. You can see it's spinning freely, no damage whatsoever. Yep, turn her off, yep. So this is the exact same setup. This is the setup that we've been using for the last 2 days. We've been doing this demonstration on a 5-minute intervals. The exhibition was crazy busy. People constantly coming through and wanting demonstrations. And this is the same pan connector we've been using ever since. No issues whatsoever. Exactly the same with the pipe work. We must have run this in excess of 50, 60 times. We've not had to reset any of the elbows. I'll do another video shortly on the 32. So this is a setup for the 32mm. We've got a 32mm section of pipe and a 40mm section of pipe. Obviously the smaller pipe diameter, the harder it is to get around, but you'll see this will fly around in probably 30 seconds. So we've got a metre section of pipe with one knuckle 90, passes underneath the pan, another knuckle 90, and then back out of this metre section. So Terry's about to pop this through the 32, and it should fly through in 20-30 seconds, no problems. First one done. You'll see it's coming around here soon. No vibrations, no knocking of the elbows, no issues. There we go. So that's around the 32mm section. That's the smallest pipe diameter that this machine will do. Flew around there in 20-30 seconds, no problem. Obviously the bigger pipe size, the easier it is to pass through. Any questions, come back to us. You've got all those details, I'm sure, but I'll link the details in the post as well.